National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in east central Florida, northern Volusia County in east central Florida, until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near the villages, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Daytona Beach, Port Orange, Ormond Beach, DeLand, and New Smyrna Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.